Kungina kumunini Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki nariritie kuibangania kwa thirikari kiri gukandana na mpanga ya Mpara Nthîgûrûne akera Kindiki augite NIBAIBANGITE buria kukubatara ni untu kinyani barikitie kuona machiara jama kai ijojonekete kumania na kiaramo kira kirumirite Nthîgûrûne augite na ndeta thirikari nibekite mibango yonthe iria kuendeka kienda gukandana na mpanga iji na gukaria Kenya.
Munini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki NATARIRITIE kuibanga kura thirikari BEEKITE kendo kandana na Mpara ire kwirikana yomba kurumira Nthîgûrûne ya Kenya. Akiaria auite thirikari ikethire Ûtanganîra bura buonde kukwendeka kendo kandana na mpangeu.
The government will go out of its way to make sure that this situation will not affect the food security of our country.
Auite thirikari bakethira bagika gikaro kiumia kenda kwariria njira mwanya ciotetheria korwa na Mpara.
We have met this morning to look at some of the immediate interventions we need to make. We have agreed to continue meeting every week to make sure that there is enough preparedness for any eventuality.
Na kirimera birarimi barimite ende byaremo okura kumania na kiaramo na kinyamburo tweka auete bitethira bikyora udari ende bikethira bikyora okuma kirarimi kenda kubwithia iro byandithia.
In the meantime, we are also looking at modalities of using part of the crop that failed for processing and making of animal feeds, and so that farmers can also get a bit of income from the crop, even if it has not matured.
Riu auite iro bira bikaumbana na okura byakethwa na we kwa boya kenda biguna Kenya akiwa kinyabatethania na arimi wetera mbura ya El Nino.
We are also preparing interventions around making sure that the crop that will be ready for harvest will be harvested, dried, stored, and used. And thirdly, we are also looking at interventions around assisting farmers to prepare for the El Nino rains that are projected to start later in the year, from around October, by seeing what kind of interventions around farm inputs, farm preparation, that we can do to subsidize production and help farmers level out some of the disadvantages that are coming out from this depressed crop.
Narikiretia na wikira Kenya wirane ati thirikari kethirane ndi Ûtanganîra bwa kwana kendo tiro timu Kenya araringika ne Mpara.
So I want to assure the country that the government is seized of the matter of what has happened this season. The government is also seized of the matter of what is projected to happen later this year in terms of precipitation. We are taking all possible measures to prevent any part of Kenya, any citizen of Kenya having to suffer famine or lack of food.
Phineas Imana Ndatocheweru.